Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our March new products video. Our first new product are these armrests. These fit the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco, 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. This color I have here is Mocha. We're selling these in pairs. We've improved on the Ford design. Ford's was a three-piece unit, but we went with a two-piece. There's a plastic backing here which you attach to the door panel, and the rest of this is just one solid piece. Really heavy duty. These are Mocha. We'll also be we'll have the opal gray coming, we'll have the royal blue, and the ruby red. For right now, these will be available April 1st with the opal gray. Again, armrests for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco, 92 to 97 F-Series pickup, sold in pairs. This is the Mocha, and we'll have the opal gray available April 1st. And our next new products from Carpenter Industries are these slide locks. These are for the 80 to 81 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. Back when they came out with the third generation Bronco, they went away from the manual door lock on the top of the door. They went to the slide lock. It fit right up on your door panel up here, and you just open it this way. They did this for 2 years and they quit doing it. These haven't been available for years. What happens is they break, sun hits them, deteriorates them, so Carpenters come out with them. They're sold in pairs. These are black, but you can take them apart. There's 4 screws. You can take it apart and spray it any color to match your door panel. Again, slide locks for the 80 to 81 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup, right and left from Carpenter Industries. And our next new product is this dash trim set. These are for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series Ford pickup. One I have in my hand is the passenger side. This is like the XLT trim. It's got a silver backing with black stripes on it. Well, we've reproduced this. This is a brand new piece. All you got to do is take the clips off your old one and snap it in place. We have the passenger side along the dash. Then on your instrument cluster, right and left, we also have those. We sell this as a set of 3, or you can buy these individually. What happens over the years, the sun fades them, or they get cracked and they get soft and they break. Well, anyway, we've reproduced them. We sell them in a set of 3 or individually. Brand new from the Bronco Graveyard, fits the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is cold air intake. This fits the 87 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 87 to 97 F-Series pickup. We've reproduced this. This will fit the 6-cylinder 300, the 302, 351 Windsor, and the 460. It's a really nice construction. What this does, if you have a 302 or a 351 Windsor, the air goes through between the hood and the core support. It's just a small crack. This increases your cold air intake, so it's really nice. What's nice about this is you take the old one off. There's a hole in the core support, which everyone has. You slide it through and you snap it right into the air box. It fits every time. Really simple. Takes about 3 minutes to put in. Again, brand new for the 87 to 96 Bronco and the 87 to 96 Ford pickup. This is cold air intake. And for our March Web Truck of the Month, we have John Park's 87 Bronco 2, highly modified, nice off-road machine. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you next month.
It was just a stock truck. It's an 87 Bronco 2 from Alabama. I already knew what I wanted to do to it when I bought it, because my buddy Dan Bastion had a tan one very similar to it named Sarge, and he ended up parting that out and building the Explorer that you guys may know of, and so I got a lot of parts off it at the time, so very helpful. Drivetrain, I have a 347 stroker in it. Transmissions, C4 out of an early gen Bronco. It's a reverse manual valve body, works good for crawling. Transfer case is the Dana 20, twin stick Dana 20. The front axles, full width out of a full-size Bronco. I have RCV axles in it with the reed knuckles, 513 gears, air locker in the front. The rear axle is the 8.8 out of a disc brake rear end out of an Explorer, but I'm going to be building the 9-inch for it here soon. I do drive it on the road quite a bit. So I got 6,000 miles on it in the last 2.5 years. I'm getting ready to paint it. That's why it looks like it does. So it'll be still blue and white, but a little bit different, darker blue with a lighter white. I got 37-inch tires right now. I'll probably go to a 40-inch here soon, maybe next spring or something. You know, the electrical part of it, it's ran on a micro squirt, so I guess that would be the toughest part of it. But I got buddies that help me out, so.
Oh, don't worry about that. It helps to have buddies.
It's good to have that good circle of all of us, you know.